Police have busted an alleged drug ring being run right under the noses of authorities at the Villawood Detention Centre. A convicted drug smuggler is accused of running the citywide operation from within the centre.
A 49-year-old Nigerian national awaiting deportation from Australia, along with another individual, has been charged following the discovery of an alleged $9 million drug operation at an immigration detention centre in Sydney. On Saturday, July 27, 2024, NSW police announced that they had executed a search warrant at Villawood Detention Centre. During the raid, officers allegedly uncovered 2 kilograms of methamphetamine valued at $165,000 concealed within porridge boxes. The Nigerian national, identified as Dirachukwu Patrick Nweke, was apprehended on July 11th and subsequently taken to Bankstown Police Station. He has been charged with 2 counts of supplying an indictable quantity of a prohibited drug, supplying a large commercial quantity of a prohibited drug, and directing a criminal group. Police allege that Nweke was utilizing an encrypted messaging service to coordinate a network of runners outside the detention center, directing them to distribute methamphetamine and cocaine across Sydney. Further police operations resulted in raids on various properties in Sydney's eastern and western suburbs. In Liverpool, officers reportedly interrupted a drug runner attempting to dispose of 750 grams of methamphetamine and 90 grams of heroin by flushing them down a toilet. Additional quantities of heroin, totaling 90 grams, were found on the bathroom floor, alongside $325,000 in cash. A 24-year-old man, alleged to be one of Nweke's runners, was arrested and charged with multiple offenses. During the search, police also confiscated a dedicated encrypted communication device. Detective Superintendent Peter Foe addressed the media stating, "During the search, police located 750 grams of methamphetamine and 90 grams of heroin in a toilet bowl, in what police will allege was an attempt to dispose of the drugs. Police also located and seized $325,000 in cash and a dedicated encrypted communication device." The police's efforts this week have led to the dismantling of 3 separate drug syndicates across the city. The street value of the drugs we've seized is in excess of $9 million, Foe added. Nweke appeared in Bankstown local court on July 12th, where he was denied bail. The alleged runner also faced court on the day of his arrest.